So hey guys, this is your boy Keys. This is a fresh video, guys. Very fresh. You can see on my screen here, you can see the dates and everything. I hope you guys can see it, but it says here we just earned about 1,169 BSV tokens for referring a friend, for logging into Centbee, for window shopping on the Centbee app. So guys, there's a video tutorial on how to register on Centbee. This is Centbee Wallet. This is it here, guys. I'm going to put it up on my, you can check our YouTube channel. So I'll go over to YouTube now. So if you open up on YouTube, there's a video that talks about how to do it. I'm just going to take this. So if you go to our library section, just search for Akahilz Tube, guys. Akahilz Tube. So you see the video here. There's a video here that talks about how to do your KYC on Centbee. So guys, it teach you how we've been able to earn for guys. I don't know what I'm saying, but guys, I hope you just understand what I'm trying to say. It teach you how to register and everything you need to do. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. Peace out, guys. Goodbye, kids. One love and stay tuned. So download the Centbee app on Google Play Store. Use the referral code Akahilz and stay blessed, guys. Peace out. Then you register. Peace out, guys. Follow us on YouTube too, guys. It's your boy Keys.